Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of packing up to move out of my parents' house.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here.
Hey guys, I am so tired right now. I had work in the office today and then I also had yoga and I ate, and I thought that the food would give me energy because I was very hungry, but I think I maybe had a little too much because now I feel like kind of food coma status. Ooh, cat. Hello. Anyway, I'm gonna turn on some music. I just had some dark chocolate for a boost of energy, and I'm gonna power through and pack for like at least an hour. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack more clothes. I might just pack some more tech stuff. I wanna tackle everything that's in there, all the clothes that's in there. As it's been an overwhelming week already, in a good way. I actually fell asleep in like less than like 10 minutes. Usually it takes me like an hour to fall asleep. So that's amazing.
You'll be the death of me still, your medicine. Yeah, I need it. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need ya. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always.
Hey guys, so I literally ended up packing up like all of my socks and underwear and stuff, and I just have, you know, what I might need. I'm only really here for like 3 more days, so I'm just keeping this out. And this is empty, and then this over here is stuff that I'm pretty sure I don't want to bring with me. These swimsuits are honestly probably need to be thrown out, most of them. And then these are just extra. These socks kind of suck, but maybe my sister will want them because it's still a sock, you know? I think that next I want to tackle maybe my hair things. And then as for my hanging clothes, I'm thinking I might just do that trick with the bags, like the garbage bags, and just hang it over the hangers and tie them up instead of trying to fold everything up. I am gonna be getting more of these wooden hangers from IKEA so that they're all matching, but I think I might as well just bring the plastic ones for now. I mean, I am gonna go to IKEA like literally the first day we move. So maybe I should just like take everything off of the plastic hangers so that I could just leave them here for my family to use. But then I do have to fold and like hang up. But I'm gonna be like reorganizing it anyway, so I might as well do that. Oh, I don't know what's the best decision. I also need to pick out a couple more outfits for the rest of the week. Tomorrow for work, and then on Friday I'm going out for dinner, and then on Saturday for the actual move. This just takes a little bit of extra planning, but honestly at the moment it feels exactly like packing for college. Crazy. I'm adulting so hard right now. So I'm also going to be bringing these blankets, this one and this one, but I'm thinking now that maybe I should wash them first. So I think I might do that. Yeah, I'll do that tonight so then they can air dry. I don't want to like these in the dry because then they won't be as soft and fluffy. And then I could have them folded up and ready like tomorrow or Friday. Every single time I like think about how many days I have left trying to like plan out how much clothes I need to keep out, like, whoa, there's really only 2 days. Like Saturday morning, I'm going. There's only 2 days really. So I contemplated about this for a while, but I've decided to bring all of my seasonal things. I wasn't sure if I should just keep them, like maybe keeping them here and then before the season starts coming here and picking them up. But I think that I should just bring it with me, honestly, because I feel like I'll forget to go and bring that stuff. And I am moving out. I'm not just like moving into college, like I'm moving out, so I need to just have everything that I own with me. We got my candles, so like I use them, but there's still a little bit left, so I'm gonna keep them. The This one is delightful and huge. This one was a gift for Christmas, so I haven't used it. Grapefruit fur. It's like kind of Christmassy and kind of fruity at the same time. I think it's very perfect for me. And then this one, you guys, it smells like pineapple. It doesn't smell very strongly, honestly, when you light it, but if you just stick your face in it, then it smells like pineapple. And also there's a bit of it left, so might as well finish it up, and summer's coming, so perfect. Oh my goodness, it's getting a little bit difficult to get out of that college packing mindset where I'm just like, oh, I mean, this is a Christmas thing, so I won't bring it with me. I mean, I guess I could always do that. My parents would be perfectly okay with me keeping my things here, I think. But I just feel like I should just either take it or leave it. So I'm trying to limit what I'm bringing because I really do want to start fresh. And there's always like those little things that you're like, oh, but like, I have this, so I should use it up. Or like, what if I need this? I'm trying to get out of that mindset. I'm not gonna like throw away anything good. I'm gonna give it to my sister or maybe to friends or like whatever. I'm gonna donate it. But anyway, I've got some stuff back here that I'm gonna try to see what's there. It's kind of like my extra storage, so I honestly don't even really remember what's in there. Let's see. I've got a bunch of these extra IKEA drawer dividers, which I think I'll just use these to put my stuff away right now. And they might come in handy, but maybe not. And if they don't, I'll bring them back home. This is my Rapunzel costume. If you guys don't know, I sewed a Rapunzel costume just like on a whim with absolutely no sewing experience, and I have a video on that if you want to watch. I'm not bringing this with me, but I don't want to get rid of it, like for sure. Like I'm just gonna keep it here. These are all my dance shoes from when I did dance. Once again, I don't want to get rid of these in case I ever need them again. But, you know, for now, there's no point in bringing them with me. Lots of receipts and like packaging for makeup because I was like, oh, just in case I want to return it. Well, anyway, it's too late to return any of them now, and I also don't want to return any of them, so we're good. This can go in the recycling rather. I stay alive because I feel ready now. I see red, I feel blue, but it's all black and white. Old wallet. It's got like a bunch of rewards cards in here. This might be like one of the first gift cards I've ever had when I was like super young, and I felt like I had a credit card and I was like, ew, this is so cool. Literally had $5 on it. Okay, so I think this is something that I don't have the mental capacity to deal with at the moment. So I'm going to deal with that another time, but we've got some other things here sorted, so that's good. This is one of those things that I'm like so hesitant to get rid of because this was like my first ever perfume, and I honestly still like the way it smells, but also it's quite a few years old. Like, God, probably like 8 years old. And so, you know, obviously the scent isn't quite the same, but honestly I still like it. But at the same time, this like reminds me of like probably early high school days or like even middle school, and not the scent, just the bottle. Like I would get this scent in a different bottle, but at the moment it just reminds me of like, it's just so old, and it's just kind of like, I don't know how to explain what I'm feeling, but yeah, and the scent's kind of deteriorated.
On and we do anything for what we started, but this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same.
I'm getting so overwhelmed and tired. I think last night I only got about 6 hours of sleep because I decided at like midnight that I just had a burst of energy. Worth it though.
Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? What if I'm no good for you?
Okay, so I think I'm getting really tired. I'm like kind of burning out for the night. So I think I'm going to do just like a tiny bit more. And that is just go through this stuff just like really quickly. Because honestly, now that I think about it, there is quite a lot of things in there that, you know what? Never mind. I'm going to do that tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna clean up this room a little bit because it's in a very messy state at the moment. And then I'll be done for the night. And I think it was a good thing to start this earlier than I originally planned. I don't think I would have been able to pack everything in one day. Not because I have a lot of stuff. I mean, I do have a lot of stuff, but like it's not that bad, I guess. But it's just that I'm also trying to declutter, and that definitely takes like a toll on you emotionally and mentally.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone.
Alright guys, let's recap. So this is what I have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4 IKEA bags. They could fit a few more things. This stuff actually I am gonna bring, but I'm gonna like try to pack stuff into that crate, which I haven't done yet. I put the blankets from this couch into the washer, so that will be dried by tomorrow night, hopefully. Still a bunch of things hanging in the closet, but I emptied that out. I emptied out the clothes parts of this. So I think progress has been pretty good. And tomorrow we'll get even closer to finishing. So we'll see you then. Bye.